Get ready to capture your adrenaline-fueled moments in breathtaking clarity with this year's top action cameras. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast, a travel junkie, or a content creator, these 5 best-in-class cameras offer unrivaled performance and innovation. Join us as we explore the perfect blend of ruggedness and sophistication, promising to transform your daring escapades into unforgettable memories. Hero 10 Black. Back with a game-changer, the GoPro Hero 10 Black. This waterproof action camera redefines the game with its GP2 engine, delivering blazing speed and unbelievably smooth footage. Dual screens, mind-blowing 5.3K at 60 fps, and 8x slow-mo. Hero 10 nails visuals. Unmatched image quality with 91% more resolution than 4K, even in low light. Hypersmooth 4.0 keeps shots steady, leveling horizons flawlessly. The Hero 10 Black isn't just an action camera, it's a creative powerhouse. Capture, share, and relive your adventures like never before. Number 3. Insta360x3 Waterproof 360 Action Camera. Get ready for 5.7K 360 active HDR video, dual 48 megapixel sensors for epic clarity, and 4K single lens mode for that action cam feel. No more shaky videos, thanks to flow state stabilization and the 360 horizon lock. Imagine drone-like footage without the selfie stick, all thanks to the invisible selfie stick technology. Elevate your content game with the Insta360x3, capturing adventure from every angle. Number 2. GoPro Hero 9 Black. Number 1. GoPro Hero 8 Black. Say goodbye to shaky shots. Hypersmooth 2.0 is a total game changer. Whether you're sending it downhill or vlogging on the move, your footage stays buttery smooth. With 45+ compatible mounts, it's your creativity's best friend. Plus, the optional media mod? Lights, pro audio, extra screen, you're sorted. GoPro Hero 8 Black Bundle, waterproof, rugged, and ready to rock anything you throw at it. Elevate your content. Snag yours now. Guys, your support means a lot. If you like this video and want more, don't forget to subscribe and like. Links to the products can be found in the description below. Looking forward to having you back soon. Stay awesome.